Alright. They had to get a new door, but this one's the one that so I just gotta get some blinds. Gotta get some blinds in here. But yeah. So I'll send before and after pics, but yeah, it came out pretty good. Minus the repairs. You can see a little bit on the wall right there, but better than what it looked like. So not too bad, you know. So a guy was happy with it, you know. So just need some light fixture covers, blinds, a new oven downstairs, and then some drawers. But yeah, the repairs and then some cabinets. But as for the sheetrock repair and all that, turned out pretty good, and paint.